The torque converter control solenoid, or TCC, is in charge of controlling the apply fluid pressure to the torque converter. Most older TCC solenoids are on and off units. However, on modern units, the TCC became a duty cycle controlled solenoid, which may be applied as early as 30 miles per hour. Be advised that on newer OBD2 systems, the PCM, or TCM, may have been programmed with an overly reactive TCC flash software. It is becoming very common to see premature torque converter failures due to a faulty factory software flash. In these cases, a PCM reflash will be needed. The TCC solenoid is a two-wire component. Most domestic transmissions employ a ground-controlled TCC. This means that a relay or the ignition switch supplies power to one side of the solenoid, while the other side gets a pulsating, or a steady ground. On some duty cycle controlled units, both TCC terminals are connected to the PCM, or TCM, which controls both power and ground. On Asian vehicles, most TCC solenoids are power controlled. So the TCC is attached to permanent chassis ground, either at the body or through a wire, and the other side is pulsed to power, or 12 volts, by the PCM, or TCM. These are the only two types of control schemes employed. To test the TCC solenoid, apply power to one side of the unit, either by turning the ignition key on or by jumping power to the power feed wire. Then, using a test light connected to ground, probe and verify that you are getting 12 volts at the control wire, verifying that you don't have an open circuit. It is useless to perform a resistance test on the TCC solenoid. These are rugged units and may only show the problem while they are in operation, meaning stressed out. Most TCC solenoids will draw about 0.8 to 1.5 amps of current. The duty cycle units are very low resistance, or in the range of 2 to 4 ohms. Do not jump these units, or they'll be damaged. A TCC performance, or stuck on OBD2 code, means that a mechanical problem is present, as well as clogged fluid passages. A TCC open, or electrical code, points to an unmechanical fault. Do not rebuild or replace the transmission if an electrical code is present. A TCC circuit high code means that the ground is missing. And a TCC circuit low code equals a missing power feed problem or blown fuse. Oftentimes, when confronted with a TCC performance or stuck-on code, the most likely cause is a faulty torque converter itself. If so, research the TSPs for a possible reflash needed to avoid further problems in the near future.